Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add text behind an object in Capcut, body, human object, and every other kind of object like cars, mountains, animals, and all the rest. So please take the as I'll be showing you the difference between adding text behind a human object and also every kind of object. So let's dive into the tutorials. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your Capcut app and click on new project. Go to your gallery and select the object you want to add text behind. When this is done, just click on text, add text, and then you write out the text you want to appear behind your object. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I would like to change the font because I want it to be bold. So I go to font and select this particular font. When that is done, I'm just going to change the style because you can see the background is white and the text is white. So I want something that will be visible. So I will change the style and then position my text where I want it to be. When that is done, I go to my text clip and extend the duration to align with that of my object. Then I go and export my video. The next thing you want to do is to go to your Capcut app and click on new project. When that is done, go over to your gallery and select the object we just worked on and click on add. Then there's this plus icon, click on it and it will take you back to your gallery where you select the original image of the object. Click on add, and then while that clip is selected, go over and look for overlay. When you click on it, just stretch out the overlay to make sure it aligns with the other clip there. When that is done, then you go and look for remove background. Click on custom remover and select the size of the brush that you'll be comfortable working with. Take your time to ensure that you do that carefully. After all of that is done, then you can see that your text is now behind your object. Then you can go over and export your video. So for the human object, you go to your Capcut app and you click on new project. Go over to your video and select the video you intend to add text behind. The difference between the human object and the other kind of object is just the way of removing the background. For the human object, you use the auto remover, while the other kind of object you use custom remover. So now we go over to click on text and add text. Write out the text that you want to be behind your object, and then you can go over to fonts and change your fonts. You can just see the way I'm doing my thing here, stretch it out and position it well the way I want it to be. Then I can go over and export. After this is done, I go over to my gallery again and select this object that we just worked on. Then you click on add. So click on the plus icon, go over to your gallery and select the original video. When that is selected, you click on add again. While it is selected, go over to look for overlay and click on overlay. So when that is done, just make sure that the overlaid video aligns well with the other one, and you go over to remove background. This time around we'll be using the auto remover, and when you click on it, you can see your text is behind your object. And we are done. Thank you so much. Please, if you find this helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.